Back Subject Online. I'm going to make Excel fun today. Just a simple tweak. We are going to make a chessboard design. And how do we do this? On a new sheet, select all your columns and rows, right click in the column bar, change the column width to 5, okay, then right click in the row, change the row height to 25. You know that is the square of 5. So after you're done with that, you're going to select 8 rows down, then you select 8 rows and 8 columns. That is going to be our square. Here we go. Then you go to condition formatting, you create a new rule. What is the new rule we are going to do? It is not, it is going to be customized with a formula, and this is the function we are going to use. Equals mod, open parenthesis, row function. The row function you open and close, then comma 2, close parenthesis, equals to mod again, open parenthesis, that is column, open and close, comma 2, close. So that is the simple formula. Come here and format. I need this in black. There you go, and okay. Okay, there you go. You can go ahead and give these borders and everything you like. So guys, well, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and meet in the next video. Bye bye.